Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to swap out the batteries in this truck. However, this is pretty much like a preview of what I'm dealing with. A buddy of mine, this is his truck, and he swapped the batteries out, but he accidentally put them in the wrong way, and I think he went to start the truck and all sorts of things happened. So I'm here now trying to remedy that. I'm dealing with this issue currently, trying to figure out what's what. I have got some progress, or I've gotten some progress on some things, just trying to figure out why I won't start. But I'm just going to show you guys how to swap these batteries out really quickly, and look forward to this video coming when I finally try to get this truck up and going. Yeah, it's been a nightmare because you got to figure if you cross those batteries up, those terminals, and you turn on the power and try to start the truck, there's no telling what it could have blown or what damage you could have caused, and then it becomes a electrical nightmare. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. I'm going to show you guys how to swap these batteries out real quick. Look out for this video because my man's not going to stop letting me deal with this until I get it started. I'm just going to keep going and figuring it out. But yeah, I'm chasing down everything and doing everything. And I'm also going to show you guys how to jump the starter. So here I'm showing you guys I'm under the truck trying to eliminate the starter being bad because we're getting a couple clicks, and when I got the lights working on the dash, and I'll show you guys that, when I get everything back powering up, it wasn't saying anything, and I'm like, okay, the starter just can't get bad from the truck just sitting up. But I've seen cases where the starter won't say anything. So I'm on here right now, and as soon as I touched one of the wires to the solenoid, it was kind of corroded, so it just broke off. And here I just showing you guys that I removed some of the sheeting from the wire to put a new wire in there just to run to the solenoid for now, just to see will we get power to the start, and we'll just try to start up. Ultimately it didn't. I had to jump it off, and I'll show you guys that. So here I'm just showing I'm under the hood, testing fuses, relays, trying to figure out what's going on, and also testing all the fuses in the inside, doing a continuity test on everything. And so here I'm going to show you guys I finally got the lights back working on the dash and everything functioning. I thought we had something, and nothing still. A quick note before I get started here. You see those inline fuses? I removed all that, and you'll see it in the video when I finally figured this out and cleaned every one of those terminals. I will give the cables a good cleaning again here while I'm changing the batteries out. Another method here installing these batteries that I'm doing in this video for someone who's inexperienced is installing the hot side first. That way you can avoid possibly turning a ratchet or a wrench with a metal end and possibly hitting the back of that battery holder or frame and causing a huge spark, because you have both terminals hooked up like I do in this video. And if you look closely, when you see me tighten those lugs up to those posts, you'll see me using my hand with the glove on to shield the back half of that wrench so it won't touch the frame when I'm tightening those rear lugs down, because the hot and the negative is installed. So just a safer method for someone who's inexperienced. With me, pretty much know what I'm doing, so I have to worry about that.
Alright, turn the key forward for me. Yep, turn the ignition on. Don't try to start it though. Turn it all the way on.